You need some help installing Blue Devil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Welcome back to the Blue Devil Products Garage. Now, Blue Devil Oil Stop Leak, it's guaranteed to safely restore dried, shrunken, and cracked seals back to their original condition while you drive. See, over time, those seals and like rubber O-rings, they shrink, they crack, they degrade, right? Now, this works on both gas and diesel engines, really simple to install. With your engine off, you just pop the hood, locate your oil cap, all right? Take your oil cap off, and pour one bottle, just 8 ounces total, into your engine oil. One bottle treats 4 to 6 quarts of oil. Now you replace the cap, shut the hood, and then you hit the road. The leak will begin to seal as you drive. Now it could take a couple 100 miles to seal completely because Blue Devil repairs and reconditions those leaking seals to their original state as the product circulates throughout the system. Drive your life and live leak-free. We'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the Blue Devil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.